Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to record your laptop screen with video and audio. Alright, let's begin. To record your screen with audio on Windows 11, press Windows plus. Shift plus R on your keyboard. This will open the screen recording tool. Drag to select the area you want to record. To capture the full screen, make the selection large enough to cover it all. To include audio, click the microphone icon and ensure it's unmuted. You can also enable system audio to capture background sounds from your computer. Once ready, click the Start button. After a short countdown, your screen recording will begin. When done, click Stop Recording. You'll be taken to a preview window where you can play the recording. To make edits, click Edit in Clipchamp, a free tool from Microsoft. It allows trimming and cropping your video. Once you're happy with the result, click Save, choose a location, and export the file as an MP4. You can also adjust default settings by clicking the three lines, going to Settings, and setting preferences for microphone, system audio, and save location. So that's basically how you can record your laptop screen with video and audio. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!